Hi guys, it's Hani here. Welcome to Haniela's. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful brown sugar caramel cake decorated with caramel drips on the sides and a beautiful caramel sugar sail decoration on the top. So let's get started. First, we have to make the cakes. I'm using brown sugar pound cake recipe posted on my blog. Link is in the description box under the video. Divide the cake batter between 4 6-inch cakes. This recipe can also be halved. And for this tutorial, I'm only going to use 2 of these 6-inch cakes. The rest you can freeze for later. And we're going to bake these at 325 degrees of Fahrenheit until a toothpick comes out clean. Let these cool completely before freezing or decorating. And to fill my brown sugar cake, I'm going to use absolutely delicious caramel cream cheese frosting. Let all the ingredients come to room temperature. And then we're going to start by breaking up cream cheese. Beat it for about 30 seconds or so, and then gradually add room temperature butter. And in this frosting, I am going to use my homemade thick caramel sauce. The recipe can also be found on the blog. First, spray a cup measure with a non-stick spray. It helps to release all the caramel from the cup. And gradually we're going to beat all of this caramel into our cream cheese butter mixture. Now, if you prefer your frosting a little more sweeter, you can also add some powdered sugar. I don't think it's really necessary, but for those of you who like your frosting sweeter, you can definitely add some powdered sugar. And now we're going to trim the top of the cakes, and I'm also going to slice it in half. So we're gonna have 4 cake layers in this cake. If you find that your caramel cream cheese frosting is too soft, you can stick it in a refrigerator for 30 minutes or so and it will firm up a little bit. I'm going to quickly crumb coat the cake and then stick it in the fridge for about an hour. Now we can frost the cake. You can see my frosting is a bit firmer, so I had it in a fridge for the same amount of time as my cake. And we're just going to frost the top and the sides, and then use a spatula or a bench scraper to smooth it out. We're gonna refrigerate the cake for about 2 hours until buttercream firms up, and then we can add the drips. So to make the caramel sauce a little more fluid, we can microwave it in 5-second intervals. Don't make it too thin though. First I'm going to add about 1/4 cup or 1/3 cup of caramel on the top, and then with a spatula you can spread it all the way to the edges. And then you can make the drips. To decorate the top, I'm using some gold pearls. And then we can stick this into the fridge, and a cake like this will be fine in the refrigerator for about 3 to 5 days. It will be completely fine. To prepare my sugar decoration, I'm gonna be making wet caramel. It's harder to mess up. So we're gonna cook sugar and a little bit of water. You can see there are sugar crystals on the sides of the pan, so I'm gonna cover it and let the steam and condensation clean the sides of the pan. And we're going to stop stirring at this point once all of the sugar is dissolved, and bring it to about medium amber temperature and let it cool until it's syrupy. You also might want to try stopping the cooking process by plunging the bottom of the pan into cold water so the caramel doesn't burn. Now once it's syrupy consistency, pour it onto a silicone mat and we're going to shape it over a tall drinking glass. I'm going to make the folds and then secure them with either office clips, or you can also use spring clamps. You can get those at the hardware store. And we have to let this set for about 20 minutes or so until caramel hardens. So leave it be, and also make sure that you are super careful because caramel is very hot. You don't want to burn yourself. Alright, so after about 20 minutes or so, you can remove the clamps and your silicone mat should easily pop out. Like so. Alright, so that's our caramel sail. Isn't that cool? I love how this turned out. And we're going to decorate the top of the cake. So it's as simple as placing it on the top of the cake. And that's it. That's how you can make this beautiful and delicious brown sugar caramel cake decorated with caramel drips, caramel sugar sail. And for all the recipes and list of tools that I used in today's tutorial, be sure to visit my blog. Link is in the description box under the video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you have other recipes and tutorials you'd like to see here on Haniela's, let me know as well in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.